Assalamualaikum! Another unboxing day tayo ngayon mga sis. And meron kasi tayong binili dito. Yan, medyo malaki siya. Ulit na item. This is a solar electric fan kasi nga, di ba, kailangan natin medyo magtipid in everything. And I do hope this one is working. Tapos yung mga nangyayari pa ngayon sa Middle East. So, preparing something as essential. I think this one is essential. So, let's do the unboxing. Di ba, sinimulan ko na. Para makita natin if this product na binili natin is working and good. So, dito beside me yung alaga namin si Lufty na cat. So, ayan. Nakikinig siya. Are you watching me? Ayan. So, medyo puro yung ating mahiwagang bunting. So, ayan siya. I do hope working to and walang problem para magamit at ano natin. This is the second solar fan na meron kami. So, yung isa is nandun na sa kabilang namin. Ang ginagamit namin siya. So, I do hope this buying this kind of item will help para ma-lessen yung ating mga expenses in terms of the electricity kasi grabe ang taas na ng bill namin. So, yung bill namin this time and for the month of March is nadagdagan siya ng almost 1,000 from the last Feb. So, how much more ngayong April mas mainit, 'di ba? Tsaka there's already an advice from the Meralco na magtataas na sila because of the situation na nangyayari. And usually naman ganun si Meralco every this summer, this kind of this time is laging may pa-increase. May padagdag ng something si Meralco. Hindi ko wala tayong magagawa. That's their it's business. Pero sana the government will able to do something para hindi naman masyadong parang nagiging na si mga electric, yung mga essential natin like the electricity and the water itself is maging alam mo yun, masyadong grabe yung pinapataw nila na rate sa atin na mga individual na ginagamit yun. Anyway, ayan. So, nabubuksan na natin. Ayan na. Box na siya. Natanggal na yung bubble wrap. And let's open it. Ano ba to? Masyadong yung nila. Packing tape. So, I do hope everything is okay in here. At walang damage. There for the return ka sister. Ooh, parang box inside the box. Okay, so nice. So there's another protector which is this box nasa ibabaw. So now yan. Dear customer, please open screw cover and connect the battery inside the fan body before using. Please open screw cover. Ano yun? Sige, may na natin alam. Ayan na siya. This one. So, let's open this box. May panote na ganun si seller. Pero, yeah. Pag na-assemble na natin yarn. Open na natin yan. So, here you go. Tingnan natin ang laman. Hopefully, kompleto ang, burp tayo. Ang parts and stuff. Para walang problem. So, ito yung, baba ko to. Wait, babaan natin yan. Wait. Baba natin yung isang box. Kasi masikip na sis. Ayan, dyan ka. Anyway, ayan. So, kita pa din naman, diba? And so, the body. And siya, yung laman body. Tapos, Ito, tingin ko, stand or anything. Baka dun sa harap. Ay, nasa front pala yan. Tapos, the instructions. Tapos, may mga screws dito inside. So, later we will assemble it. I'll put it here first. What's another thing that's inside in here? Wait lang. Ayan. Ooh. So, the LSC. Tapos, I think this is the stand ng sa solar panel. Tapos, ito yung stand ng electric fan. Yan siya. Lagay natin there. Tapos, kasi some kind na mabigat. And then, yung mga grills ng electric fan. Yan. Tapos, ano to, parang siguro pang zip no, doon sa electric fan. And then, dyan, wala na space doon. The stand. Parang power outlet. Basta yung, hindi pala, power connector. And then, I think this is the solar panel. Yan, wala nang laman sa loob or anything. Wala na. Let's put it here. Baka gusto na naman pumasok dyan ang alaga namin pusang, si Lufty. Yan, tanggalin natin yun. Yan natin ilang keme itong solar panel. Uy, wala siyang nakalagay. Kung ilang, wattage ng solar. Pero yan, this is the solar panel. So, ayun. So, ayun yung laman ng ating box. So, I do hope nagustuhan nyo itong unboxing video na ginawa natin for the electric fan that we bought online. And watch out for the next video para sa ating pag-assemble nitong item na ito. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe on my channel. And follow me on my social medias. And ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!